This is the Porsche design Honor Magic 7 RSR, the third collaboration between Honor and the German design studio after last year's Magic 6 RSR and the foldable Magic V2 RSR. As its name suggests, the Porsche design Honor Magic 7 RSR is essentially a souped-up version of the Honor Magic 7 Pro, which we already described in our review as an outstanding phone that impresses in almost every area. Not content to rest on its laurels, Honor has worked with Porsche Design to sportify the design of the Magic 7 Pro, and it's also thrown in some key spec upgrades to justify the RSR's £1,549 price tag. On the aesthetic front, the RSR features a sleek design that's inspired, of course, by Porsche cars, and specifically the Taycan Turbo S. The phone's distinctive hexagonal camera module resembles Porsche's iconic headline design, and a streamlined peak line makes the RSR look like it's been built for a wind tunnel. As for colours, the Magic 7 RSR is available in agate grey and Provence, and we've got the second of those two shades here. Away from the phone's design, the RSR improves on the standard Magic 7 Pro by offering a massive 24GB of RAM and 1TB of storage. For context, that's double the amount of RAM you'll find in the Galaxy S25 Ultra and equal to the max storage capacities of both the Ultra and the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Honor has boosted the RSR's camera system too. Compared to its sibling, the phone gets a larger telephoto aperture, which Honor says is the largest in the whole smartphone industry, period, and an upgraded LiDAR matrix autofocus system for improved focusing accuracy and tracking range. The brand also says the RSR features additional dual electromagnetic focus actuators for precision, which sounds like something from a James Bond movie. All told then, the Porsche design Honor Magic 7 RSR is an absolute beast of a smartphone. Sure, it's expensive, but no more so than the 1TB Galaxy S25 Ultra, and it's actually cheaper than the 1TB iPhone 16 Pro Max, despite offering significantly more RAM. The Magic 7 RSR is available now in limited quantities in the UK and Europe, and for the full review of the standard Honor Magic 7 Pro, head to TechRadar.com.